This is Chiang Golf Club on my right here. Just going around this temple. Coming back. Oh, now I'm on Riverside, going past the military camp there. That's where we have coffee in the mornings, right there. This is down by the White House. A few new restaurants there. This is the turn off into Chiang Club. It's the Chiang Club on my right again now. That's the Ping River. Going along past CP bike rentals. He's high and dry. There's the railway station. And it's coming out onto the road. Just past the railway station. Heading towards the superhighway. Now I'm in the back of the railway station. Back where the markets are. Coming back towards the railway crossing. There we are. This is just up by the railway station now. A few rail garages there. All parked up off the water edge there. There's the railway station entrance. This is just down around the markets there and behind the railway station towards Long Hoi.
Will you return before I drop? I'll freeze the sun to make you stop. I see you leave, I know I'll fall. Will you retrieve my wounded soul?
It's pretty deep in a few places. Got over my front wheel on my bike there, the KLX 140. It's got a 21-inch front wheel, so I guess it must have been around 2 foot deep. 600 mil. That's Chiang Road, just heading up around the corner at Royal Lana. Here we are in Royal Lana car park. That's on the other side of the river now. Coming up to Pantip Plaza.